Hello to everybody, and thanks for watching this video where we will see 5 features of JForex4, the trading platform of Dukascopy. First of all, we will see how to open a position and how to combine with this position two famous pending orders such as stop loss and take profit. And we will see also how to combine the trailing step to the take profit. And then we will see the trader sentiment index. Then number 3, we will see the hot list. We will see the charts synchronization using the JCloud of Dukascopy Bank. And then we will see the price alert. All right, let's start. When we open the platform, that's what we see. We can set up the English language in the settings, and the first panel is the price panel, where we can see the long price, short price, and the spread, which is the difference between buy and sell price. How to open a position? There are thousands of ways, a lot of ways. The most simple one is by clicking after selecting the amount, is by clicking in the price itself, and we will see the position in the chart and also in the position tab. If we want to open a short position, we can click in the red price. Then there is the order menu, where we can see the pending orders. Also, by clicking in the high symbol, we can see it's possible to send pending orders. How to combine stop loss and take profit? Very easy. In the position menu, right click on the position and we can click on add stop loss, and we will see it in the chart as stop loss, submit. And by clicking, for example, in the short position, we can also so we added before the stop loss, take profit. It's possible to add like this. We see TP, which is a take profit, and we can also add the trailing step to the stop loss. What is the trailing step? What is the stop loss? Stop loss is if we have an opened position and the market is moving in a bad way for us, we can select a limit price, where if this price will be touched, the position will be closed to minimize the loss. The trailing step, it's a very useful function to minimize the eventual loss even more, because trailing step is a tool that, in case the market will move in our favor, the trailing step will move as well with the market. So in case the market will change the direction, the position will be closed due to the stop loss, but in a better price than the original stop loss. By right click, edit stop loss, we can select bid less than, and then we can add the trailing step. 3 points, it means, for example, that if the market move in our direction for at least 3 pip, the stop loss will be moved accordingly. If we click on submit, okay, there is the risk of immediate execution now because the stop loss was touched, but that's how to add the trailing step to the stop loss. Second function that we will see, it's something very easy but also very useful. We need to click in these 3 points, and then by leaving the cursor in instant order, we can make sure that this box show trader sentiment index is selected. Now it is, and if we leave the cursors a little bit above the prices, it shows the sentiment, let's say, of the traders of Dukascopy. In this case, most of the traders, 62%, think that the market is bearish, so they are 62% on short position and 38% on long position. In the panel below, we have the watch list. if we click on this symbol of the drop, we can see the hot list, where we can see the instruments with the biggest, that moved the most, with the biggest price change in a selected period of time. For example, here we will see the instruments that move the most in one day, last week, in the last month, or even in the last hour. This tool is very useful, especially for the scalpers who are looking for the most volatile instruments. We have also, by clicking in this symbol, I don't know what is exactly the symbol of the watch list, is like a label. By clicking here, we will see the watch list, where by clicking in the symbol of the plus, we can add whatever, all the instruments that we want. What is very nice about this list is that by clicking in one instrument, we can assign a color to this instrument, and then we can choose, we can decide to see just the instrument with that color. So we can create several customized lists. This is a function that the traders of Dukascopy, they were asking to us, and this is the advantage to have a trading platform which is internally developed, that we can implement the most important requests of our clients. Another function that I wanted to see, that I wanted to watch today, it is the alert function. If we don't see the alert tab here, we can always click in view, and we can select alerts. Thanks to this function, we can receive an alert, which can be a sound or a visual pop-up here, this part of the platform, when our equity in the account goes below or above a certain level that we can select. And this is the equity alert on, indeed, we can see on price or on equity. But the most used one is the alert on price. We can select the instrument, we can select the direction, and we can select, of course, the price itself. If we will put it, we will see in the orange color in the chart, this one, exactly this one. When the current price will touch the price in the alert, we will receive an alert, which can be a sound or a pop-up notification. So thanks to the possibility to now the price was triggered, indeed we received a pop-up, and there is also a sound. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can. This is a very useful function that together with the previous, the first function that we see regarding the possibility to set up stop loss and take profit, it makes possible for us to not to stay in front of the chart all the time, because we can place pending orders, and we can receive the alert when a particular level of price is touched. The last feature that we will see in this video, in this short video of JForex platform, it is also something very useful, because it makes the trader save time and focus on technical or fundamental analysis. But it makes the traders to save time, because they don't need to synchronize the charts with the price alerts or indicators or the lines that we put in the chart. Why? Because Dukascopy offer for free the JCloud. It's the symbol of this cloud that synchronize automatically the charts. For example, if you can put, if we want to put in the chart another price marker, we can put it. And if we want, we can also add an indicator. In JForex platform, there are more than 250 indicators. For example, let's add the RSI indicator, relative strength index indicator. We will see it here down. And if we, for example, if we select another chart of Euro USD, we will see the price markers and the indicators. Of course, if we will switch into another instrument, there is no point to see the price markers, and therefore we will see just the RSI indicators, and we will see also what is in the chart here in this JCloud panel. In case you have any question, not just related to this video, but any question, you can always write to us to our email address, trading@dukascopy.com. In case you have questions about the video, you can also write them in the comments and we will answer as soon as possible. And you can also write eventually some suggested features to be shown in the next video. Thank you very much for your attention.